Morning, guys. So today is Thursday and I have to work tonight, and I have to leave the house at 3:30, so I'm just getting that in my mind right now. um the hurricane apparently is strengthened, and it is going to be a category 3, I think. So I don't know too much about it. I'm trying to catch up on it from this last night, but I have to wait till they start talking about it again. But I am super tired. But I work tomorrow from 11:30 to 4:30, and then I'm off. And then I work Saturday for both. So yeah. But we don't know what's going to happen here. We're just expecting the worst. That way it's probably not going to be that bad. So I am about to turn on One Tree Hill. Dogs are outside. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, guys, so it's about 11:30, and I am going to get up and clean this house. I said I was going to do it yesterday and I never did. I have to do it today, so I will talk to you guys after. So dishwasher is going. Kitchen, I think, is pretty much clean. The dining room, I need to put some totes up and find a place for the reborn's stroller and car seat for when I'm not using it. I hate that it's just right there, and I could use that space, but I don't know what I want to do with it. I don't know if I want to use it as a dining room, because for the fact that it's just me here, and most of the time I don't even eat here. So I don't know if I want to turn it into just like another room, because when I do have, like, say, like the next 3 weeks, well, not this weekend, but the next, my brother will be here for about 3 weeks until I take, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on in September, but he'll be here for about 3 weeks, I'm thinking, and I could use that for him instead of him being in the living room. And then the living room, the couch is cleaned off. I just need to sweep and vacuum the carpet, and just like in the carpet in the room, I need to clean that also. I think the room is pretty much the only thing that stays the cleanest, but the bathroom is also clean. So I just need to work on the living room and then vacuum the bedroom. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Guys, so as of 12 o'clock, it became a Category 1 hurricane. So this should be interesting. Note, I have my kitchen clean, and do need to take out the trash, but the dining room is clean besides the dogs. Stuff is right there. And then when you come into the bathroom, it is clean besides my clothes for work. My bedroom's not that bad. I just need to make my bed. And for right now, that's where the stroller is. go. The living room's not that bad. Like, literally, all I gotta do is fix that chair right there. Fix the cover for the couch. And, yeah. So it really didn't look that bad, but, yeah. So I'm trying to figure out what to put in here. Because I can put their food somewhere else and the trash somewhere else. And truthfully, I can put that somewhere else as well. So I don't know. Any ideas? Leave them in the comments down below. Alright guys, so it's about 2:30 and I have to get ready for work. Hopefully I can lose some of the stress because I'm freaking out. But hopefully it will just blow over and I will be okay. But yeah, I'm just freaking out right now. So I will touch you guys when I get in the car. So I made it to work. I finally got me something to eat. I was able to eat. So yeah, now I'm just heading in. Guys, so I'm about to run into Walmart and grab a few things that I probably would need. Hopefully they have it. I need a flashlight with some batteries. Oh, it's lightning. I need to find one more thing of water at least. Hopefully I can get at least 1 more gallon. And a few things just to keep in case the lights go off. I will have something to eat. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find anything in my price range, so I'm hoping. But I'm gonna run in here and get the flashlight at least. I am determined to walk out of here with a flashlight and batteries. I'm not sure if I need to grab anything else, but for this video, I have the perfect title. Preparation for a hurricane. Because this is my first hurricane actually getting stuff that I need. Like, I've never had to worry, and like, it's bothering me bad. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I will touch you guys. I'll probably show you guys around Walmart if like I go through the water section and it's like nothing there. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna get in here before it starts raining and hopefully get out of here before it starts raining. So be right back. I think I found it. It's battery operated and it's got control, but I'm not sure if I need just 1 or 2. So I'm thinking about also getting this one. This one don't have a remote to it, but I don't know. I'm still kind of iffy on what to get. If I can find anything else, they have this one, but the prices for these are so freaking much. So, I don't know. I will let you guys know. So this is the water section of my Walmart. Sadly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So it is 11:30. I just got home, and the light that I ended up going with, because I could not find a flashlight for nothing, and I'm pretty pissed off because I did not realize that just this light and batteries together was going to be $30, and that really was not what I was looking for. If I can find something else tomorrow, I'm gonna take this back and get a cheap flashlight, because I do not have that kind of money just rolling around. So I ended up just getting this light, and hopefully it's bright. I'm not going to open it until tomorrow because I'm not even sure if I'm going to get something better. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. And then batteries. So, and I cannot believe the price. I can't. It blows my mind. So, yeah. But they're saying it might hit in the morning around 1. So, I don't know. If I'm awake, I record as much as I can. But if I'm not, I'm asleep. I do have to work in the morning, and so that should be interesting as well. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. I gotta bring the dogs back in. Now I'm going to sleep. I'm going to try to get as much sleep as I can, because I don't know what to expect tomorrow or this weekend. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night.